Summary of Dante Brooks' charges and possible sentence. Dante Brooks, the son of dancehall artist Mavado, has been charged with 4 offenses: assault at common law, unlawful wounding, possession of a prohibited weapon, and using a prohibited weapon to commit a scheduled offense. These charges come from an incident said to have taken place on July 12th in the Cassava Peace area of St. Andrew. While the full details of what happened haven't been publicly released, the police allege that Brooks attacked and injured someone, and that a firearm was involved. The term assault at common law comes from Jamaica's English-based legal system. It means threatening or attempting to hurt someone in a way that causes fear, even if no injury happens. It's called common law because it's based on judge-made law, not a written act. The second charge, unlawful wounding, means the person was actually injured, such as being cut, hit, or shot, without legal excuse. It's a serious offense, but less severe than wounding with intent, which means deliberately trying to cause major harm. The phrase possession of a prohibited weapon refers to having a gun that is illegal or unlicensed. Under Jamaica's Firearms Act 2022, a prohibited weapon can be any unregistered pistol, rifle, shotgun, or even a homemade or modified gun. Possessing one is treated as a very serious crime, carrying a life sentence with no chance of parole for the first 15 years. The most serious charge, however, is using a prohibited weapon to commit a scheduled offense. A scheduled offense means any major violent crime listed in a special part of the Firearms Act. Things like murder, robbery, rape, or wounding. If someone uses an illegal gun while committing one of those crimes, the law says they must receive a mandatory life sentence, and they cannot apply for parole for at least 15 years. That's the same rule Dante Brooks now faces. In summary, if he is found guilty of all the charges, especially the firearm-related ones, Dante Brooks would be sentenced to life in prison with no chance of parole for at least 15 years. The lesser charges, assault and unlawful wounding, would likely run at the same time as the main sentence. The final time he serves depends on how the court rules, but under the current Firearms Act, any conviction for using an illegal gun in a serious crime automatically brings a life sentence.